Hello everyone, welcome to Sapthora Online Learning. Myself Vijay Krishna, I'm the piano teacher of Sapthora. So today's lesson I'm going to teach you the D major scale, how to play on the piano by using your both hands, left hand and the right hand, and both hands together. So before going to the lesson, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to receive a lot of content and lot of lessons from our website. So while going to the lesson, the D major scale, I am starting with the right hand. It starts with the root note, the D note, and in the middle C. After that, we have a D note. We start off like this: D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. So the total scale looks like this. So starting with the D note, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. And while coming back reverse, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, A, D. And now going with the left hand, starting on with the D note, the same notes: F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. So the same notes, whatever we play in the right hand, the same notes will be followed for the left hand, and it looks like this: left hand bow. So now I'm going to tell you the finger numbers what we use for the D major scale. Starting on with the right hand, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with the left hand, starting with the little finger, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. So together, I'm going to show you how it looks the scale. And the scale, practice the right hand and the left hand. So practice the hands separately to get the proper speed and the proper technique. So use the right fingers for fingers flexibility and getting the playing improvement. So follow the same finger numbers as I shown in the video. So practice the both hands and increase the speed. You can increase the speed while practicing regularly. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to receive a lot of lessons and content from us. And visit our website for booking a free demo class and meet our professional teachers in the art and music, thesapthora.com. And see you in the next lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching the lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson with a good content. Thank you.